everyone loves paan, so today let's make these colorful Thai paan bites. That is a popular street food called Miang Kham. To make the sauce, we will add water to a pan along with some lemongrass and ginger. In goes a brown sugar along with peanut for the texture, toasted coconut for the sweetness and the body to the sauce, shallots for the sharpness, tamarind pulp for the tanginess, soy sauce for the saltiness, add some lime zest for that brightness. Let it simmer on medium to low flame. Once thickens, remove the lemongrass and the sauce is ready. To assemble our platter, add your paan leaves and all our toppings. There's crispy tofu, crushed peanut, Thai chili, shallots, toasted coconut, cube lemon, ginger. Make sure everything is very finely chopped and this is ready to serve as a fun party appetizer. The concept of making our own paan bite is so fun, especially with the perfect balance of freshness, sweetness and spicy flavors that pair so well together, and you will definitely love it. Head over to my blog for more detailed recipe and enjoy.